Arrive in style with this 2007 Ford F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: speed-dependent interval windshield wipers, dual-stage driver and front right passenger airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, auxiliary power outlets, cargo box light and tie-downs, visors with covered vanity mirrors, and secure lock passive anti-theft system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.